Hi, welcome to Play.ht. In this video, we will show you how you can add a text-to-speech voiceover audio to your WordPress blog for your readers to listen to in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress blog site dashboard. On the left, you'll see an option under your dashboard called Plugins. Move your mouse cursor over Plugins, then click on Add New. A page will open up with a list of plugins you have installed. On the right-hand side, you'll see a search box. Type in our plugin's name, which is Play.ht. Once you do, a new page with our plugin is going to open up. Next, click on Activate. Once activated, it should look like this. Our plugin requires a sign up, so you'll be redirected to our page if you haven't signed up already. Once all done with the sign up, head over to the dashboard, and on the left-hand side, move your mouse over to the Posts option and click on All Posts. A new page will open up which lists all your posts you've worked on. Now, select the post by clicking on its checkbox for which you'd like to add a text-to-speech audio voiceover to. Once you do, click on the Add Audio option. Our very own text-to-speech editor will open up, with all the text of your post present inside. Select the voice of your choice, and click on Convert. We have a growing library of 260+ natural-sounding AI voices, across 55+ languages, to convert your text to audio. Our text-to-speech converter will start converting this for you immediately. It should be done within 1 to 3 minutes, depending on the word count of your post. You can identify which post has audio by looking at the Has Audio column. The ones which have audio will have a speaker symbol with yes mentioned beside it. Alternatively, to add audio, you can also head over to your post editor and scroll to the bottom, where you can see our plugin option, which says Add Audio. You can add the same from here as well. Let's say you wish to edit your post by adding or removing text. Once you're done editing, you can scroll down once again and click on the Update Audio option, which will update your audio as per the latest text for you. Simple? We know. Once you're done adding audio, click on the Preview option to see how it will appear once you've posted your article or post. If you wish to change the location of the player, you can once again scroll down to where our plugin is and copy the shortcode. Paste the shortcode where you'd like the player to appear on the post and hit Save. You're good to go. Hit the Preview button once again to see how it looks. You can also tweak and customize our player by changing its color, adding a custom message, and much more. Here's how you can change its color. Go back to your dashboard, and from Options click on Play.ht. The first tab will show your account details. Head over to the tab which says Audio Players, and you can find these settings there. Change the color of your choice, and hit the Preview button once again. Voila! The color's now changed. To keep you informed on how many viewers have listened to your post, shared, or even downloaded, we also give you the analytics for the same. You can find the audio analytics under the Play.ht option on your dashboard, right next to the Account tab. Hope you've liked our short video, and are now excited to add audio to your WordPress blog. Welcome to the Play.ht family. Hit the like and subscribe button for more tips and how-tos to make your blogging journey easier. Type in the comments below on what you'd like us to make the next video on. See you soon.